guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add this really cool glow effect to just the sky of your videos. Let's not use this one then. I think I might use this one. So like this part only. I'm going to copy and paste that, and I'm going to go to the effects section and I'm going to type in flash vibration. Okay, is it this one? I think it is. Let's go to let's make the speed at 0, and I want the range to be 70. And hold on, is there like a just flash vibration? Like, why can't I search that up? Okay, I think this is the only one, I'm gonna guess, or is it colorless flash? I think it's this one actually. Yeah, it's the colorless flash one. Sorry about that. I want the glow at around 100, and I want the range to be 74. Then I want the color to be at like 55-ish. And I want the atmosphere at 0, so that's already good. Then I'm going to select it. I should have put it in the video, but I can just create compound clip here. Go to mask and select horizontal, and I'm just going to feather it out. That's what I meant. Then I'm going to select the first video. I'm going to go to the adjustment section. I'll go to curves and I'll go to the blue one, and I'm just going to drag this. Oh, actually I'm just going to drag this down just a little bit so I can see that like yellow glow on that video. Then I am going to I'm going to type in the dreamy glow one. If I can just type dreamy glow. And I'm just going to add it to my video. I want the filter to be at 100. I want the glow to be at 100 as well. Why can't I add it on? Hold on. There we go. Let's just add it on top like so. And then here I want the color at 0, the glow at 100. I want the range to be at around just 40. And I also want to, no, actually I'm just going to leave the glow because this one just looks super fake. And I'm just going to leave the size as well. And that's pretty much it. Really super simple. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!